Welcome to our journey through Japan, a land where tradition meets modernity. From the snow-capped peak of Mount Fuji to the bustling streets of Tokyo, Japan offers a captivating blend of ancient customs and modern marvels. In this documentary, we'll explore the most beautiful places you must visit in Japan, all brought to life through the magic of claymation. Prepare to be transported to serene bamboo groves, tranquil temples, and vibrant cityscapes as we unveil the hidden gems and iconic landmarks of this extraordinary country. Join us as we delve into the heart of Japan, experiencing its rich culture, breathtaking landscapes, and the warmth of its people, all recreated in stunning detail with clay. Dominating the skyline, Mount Fuji stands as a symbol of Japan, a snow-capped cone rising majestically from the earth. For centuries, this active volcano has been a source of artistic inspiration and spiritual significance. Its symmetrical slopes, often shrouded in mist, have been immortalized in countless paintings and poems. Each year, thousands of pilgrims make the arduous climb to its summit, seeking a glimpse of the rising sun over the clouds. The air grows thin as they ascend, but the panoramic views from the top are said to be breathtaking. Even from afar, the presence of Mount Fuji is awe-inspiring. Its reflection shimmers in the waters of Lake Kawaguchi, creating a scene of perfect symmetry. We observe a miniature clay world come alive, tiny figures making their way up the mountain, their journey painstakingly captured, frame by frame. Entering the Arashiyama bamboo grove in Kyoto is like stepping into another world. Sunlight filters through the dense canopy of towering bamboo stalks, creating a mosaic of light and shadow on the forest floor. The air is filled with the gentle rustling of leaves and the chirping of unseen birds. A paved path winds its way through the grove, inviting visitors to lose themselves in this tranquil setting. The sheer scale of the bamboo is awe-inspiring, some stalks reaching heights of over 20 meters. Their smooth green trunks rise like pillars, forming a natural cathedral. As we walk, the path leads us past traditional tea houses, where visitors can pause for a moment of quiet reflection. Our claymation guides pause, their tiny clay cups raised in a toast to the beauty around them. Kyoto's Arashiyama Bamboo Grove is a testament to the power of nature to inspire peace and tranquility. In the heart of Tokyo, where neon lights illuminate the night sky, lies the iconic Shibuya Crossing, a testament to the city's vibrant energy. As the traffic lights turn red, a sea of humanity spills out onto the asphalt, transforming the intersection into a swirling vortex of pedestrians. From every direction, people surge forward, their paths crisscrossing in a mesmerizing ballet of organized chaos. Businessmen in sharp suits navigate the throngs alongside trendy teenagers, while tourists gaze in awe at the spectacle unfolding before them. Above the crossing, giant video screens flash advertisements and music videos, adding to the sensory overload. Our claymation camera pans across the scene, capturing the frenetic energy of the crossing. Shibuya Crossing is a microcosm of Tokyo itself, a city that never sleeps, where the old and the new collide in a dizzying embrace. On a quiet island in the Ota River, the Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park stands as a poignant reminder of the devastating power of war and the enduring hope for peace. The park's centerpiece is the skeletal dome of the Genbaku Dome, one of the few buildings left standing after the atomic bombing in 1945. Preserved as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the dome serves as a stark reminder of the destruction that occurred on that fateful day. Surrounding the dome are manicured lawns, reflecting pools and monuments dedicated to the victims of the bombing. The Children's Peace Monument, adorned with thousands of origami cranes, is particularly moving. Our claymation journey takes on a somber tone as we witness the stark beauty of the park. Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park is not just a place of remembrance, it is a call to action, urging visitors to work towards a world free from the threat of nuclear war. In the ancient city of Nara, a unique harmony exists between humans and nature. Nara Park, a sprawling green oasis, is home to over 1,200 freely roaming sika deer, considered sacred messengers of the gods in Shinto belief. Visitors to the park can purchase special crackers to feed the deer, who approach with gentle curiosity. The deer have become accustomed to human interaction and will often bow their heads in a gesture of politeness before accepting a treat. As we wander through the park, we encounter families picnicking under the shade of ancient trees, children giggling as deer nuzzle their hands in search of crackers. Our claymation deer prance playfully, their tiny hooves leaving delicate imprints in the clay ground. The camera captures the whimsical scene, highlighting the peaceful coexistence between humans and animals. Nara's Deer Park is a testament to the Japanese reverence for nature and its ability to foster a sense of peace and tranquility. Rising above the city of Himeji, like a majestic white heron, Himeji Castle stands as a masterpiece of Japanese castle architecture. Its elegant, curved walls and soaring keep have earned it the nickname White Heron Castle, a testament to its beauty and grace. Completed in 1603, the castle has survived centuries of wars and natural disasters. Its white plaster walls are a symbol of resilience and enduring strength. Visitors can explore the castle's labyrinthine corridors, climb its steep staircases, and marvel at the panoramic views from its top floor. The castle's strategic design, with its maze-like layout and hidden courtyards, was intended to confuse and deter attackers. Our claymation camera glides through the castle grounds, showcasing its intricate details. We see miniature clay warriors patrolling the walls, their swords glinting in the sunlight. Himeji Castle is not just a historical landmark, it is a living testament to the ingenuity and artistry of the Japanese people. Far from the bustling cities of mainland Japan, the islands of Okinawa offer a slice of tropical paradise. With their crystal-clear turquoise waters, pristine white sand beaches, and swaying palm trees, Okinawa's islands are a haven for beach lovers and water sports enthusiasts. Divers from all over the world flock to Okinawa to explore its vibrant coral reefs, teeming with colorful fish and other marine life. Surfers ride the waves that crash against the island's shores, while sunbathers relax on the beach, soaking up the tropical sun. Our claymation journey takes a detour to the beach, where we see tiny clay figures sunbathing, building sandcastles and splashing in the waves. The camera pans out to reveal the vastness of the ocean, its clay surface shimmering under the studio lights. Okinawa's beaches are a reminder that even in a country as technologically advanced as Japan, the simple pleasures of nature can still be found. Every February, the city of Sapporo transforms into a magical winter wonderland for the Sapporo Snow Festival. Millions of visitors from around the world flock to the city to witness the breathtaking sculptures carved from snow and ice. Giant snow sculptures, some reaching heights of over 15 meters, line the streets, depicting everything from mythical creatures to famous landmarks. At night, the sculptures are illuminated with colorful lights, creating a dazzling display that is both enchanting and awe-inspiring. Our claymation crew braves the cold, capturing the festival's magic in stop-motion animation. The Sapporo Snow Festival is a testament to the creativity and resilience of the human spirit, even in the depths of winter. For an unforgettable sensory experience, a visit to Tokyo's Tsukiji fish market is a must. As the sun rises over the city, the market comes alive with a flurry of activity as vendors auction off their catches of the day. The air is thick with the smell of fresh seafood, the sound of shouting vendors, and the clatter of metal carts. Giant tuna, some weighing hundreds of kilograms, are laid out on the floor, their silvery bodies glistening under the fluorescent lights. Skilled fishmongers wield their knives with precision, filleting fish and preparing sushi with lightning speed. Our claymation cameras zoom in on the action, capturing the energy and excitement of the market. Tsukiji Fish Market is a feast for the senses, a glimpse into the heart of Japanese cuisine and culture. As winter's grip loosens its hold on Japan, a wave of pink washes over the country as the cherry blossoms burst into bloom. For a few short weeks each spring, parks and gardens across Japan are transformed into ethereal wonderlands, their branches adorned with delicate pink flowers. Ueno Park in Tokyo is one of the most popular spots for hanami, the traditional Japanese custom of cherry blossom viewing. People gather under the trees to picnic, drink sake, and celebrate the arrival of spring. Our claymation journey culminates in Ueno Park, where we see tiny clay figures picnicking under the cherry trees, their faces turned upwards to admire the blossoms. Cherry blossom viewing in Ueno Park is an unforgettable experience, a celebration of life, beauty, and the ephemeral nature of time itself. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Japan. We've witnessed the awe-inspiring heights of Mount Fuji, the tranquil beauty of Kyoto's bamboo groves, and the vibrant energy of Tokyo's Shibuya crossing. We hope you enjoyed discovering these beautiful places and feel inspired to visit them yourself. From the ancient temples of Kyoto to the modern marvels of Tokyo, Japan offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity that is sure to captivate any traveler. Until next time, sayonara.